Hey friends, it's time to talk turkey. Turkey is the classic Thanksgiving dish, but it can be a little intimidating. So I'm gonna show you how to buy it, what to look for, and my favorite way to cook it, which might be quicker and easier than you think. So the guy I have here is about 12 pounds, and following the rule of thumb of 1 pound of turkey per person, this will feed about 12 people. Now I wouldn't follow this rule of thumb for more than 16 pounds. You don't necessarily want to do that for 25 people and then get a 25-pound turkey. That would just be too big, it wouldn't taste as good, it would take forever to cook. Instead, supplement with a turkey breast. You won't have any extra thawing time and you can season it just the same way. Now, people are gonna be wondering about fresh versus frozen for the Thanksgiving turkey. It doesn't even matter. All you need to do is thaw it appropriately and correctly. You want about 24 hours per 4 pounds of meat in the refrigerator. Do not do it on the counter and do not do it in the bathtub. And that amount of thawing will give you plenty of time to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more episodes. Now, there are a dozen ways to cook a turkey. My favorite method is the spatchcock method. First of all, it's a funny word, and second of all, it's just the best. So I'm gonna be putting on gloves because I'm gonna be handling this turkey for a while, and that's just the best thing you should do for raw poultry. So when you spatchcock a turkey, you remove this backbone. By doing that, you give yourself something extra to add to your gravy, to add a little extra flavor, but you also allow this turkey to lay flat, allowing the breast and the thighs to be on the same level and therefore cook more evenly and at the same rate. First step is to flip it upside down, breast side down. Grab your sharp kitchen shears and start snipping. You're gonna start from the neck right here along the side. I'm starting from both sides here and meeting in the middle because my hands are small. All you people with your normal sized hands are gonna have to bear with me while I do this. Don't be afraid to get in there and get dirty. Just get in there, do it. Ah, look at that. So now we can save this for our gravy and put it to the side. You're gonna flip it back over. So this is almost how he's going to lay on your roasting pan / sheet. But first we need to break this breastbone. And I recommend getting a stool for a little bit more leverage. All right, now I can totally dominate this guy. So what I'm doing here is pretty much giving this turkey CPR, except he's already dead. I'm using the heel of my hand and I'm pressing down on his breastbone, but at the same time, I'm lifting these wings from the bottom up. And I'm gonna do that on both sides. And then that way, we've got a flat turkey. Now, what I have here is a compound butter. And so what we're doing is we're rubbing everything. We're gonna rub under the skin, over the skin, and gloves really are your best friend here. If you didn't wanna wear them before, you will now. Now, as you can see right here, there's this little probe. And now that is common in all turkeys that you can buy in the store, because once it's done, that little probe will pop out. But that is not a good surefire method to tell if your turkey is done. What you wanna do is have an instant read thermometer on hand. So now this guy's ready to go in the oven. We're gonna cook him at 425 for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. So that is way less time than your whole turkey. The thighs you want to be cooked to about 165 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, and the breast to 150 to 155. The USDA tells you that all poultry needs to be cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, and that is true. However, you're gonna rest this turkey for about 30 minutes after it comes out of the oven. And in that time, it will get to 165 with carryover cooking. Just look at this turkey. He looks great, but he smells even better. The clementine, the thyme, the garlic, I wish you had smell-o-vision right now. It smells so good. Thank you guys for watching. This was so fun. Please comment and let me know if there's another way you like to spatchcock your turkey or if there's a family recipe you'd like to share. I would love to hear about it. And next week, we're gonna be continuing Turkey Land with part 2, Carving 101. Make sure you're subscribed because you don't wanna miss it.